بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. الحمد لله والصلاة والسلام على أشرف الأنبياء وخاتم المرسلين نبينا محمد وعلى آله وأصحابه ومن تبعهم بالإحسان إلى يوم الدين. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. I'm your brother Abdullah Abdul-Lateef from Arabic Virtual Academy as well as Abdul-Lateef.com. Today, I want to discuss with you another general principle from amongst the various principles that we've discussed thus far in this group, Basic Arabic Principles. And this particular principle is this, and it's really easy. This is going to be a very short video. So get your pieces of paper and your pencil together, write this down, and inshallah you won't have any problems with this in the future. And this is the issue of what sign are we going to put on, or how, even better than that, how do we deal with the ends of the asma? And here we don't mean nouns, we're talking about names, people's names. How do we deal with them? A lot of times we don't know what goes on the ends of these words. Now, as we said before, the asl is a word or a noun in general, or a word in general, is going to be marfu'. Now, when we look at this, we said before, either this means it's going to get a dhammatain or a dhamma. Type, it's either going to get one dhamma or two dhammas or one dhamma. Really easy. That's the asl. Unless something comes to change it. But when it comes to names, how do we deal with this? The way in which we deal with it is this. If it's the name of a man, generally, it's going to be what they call munawwan. A word that is munawwana. This means it's going to get the tanween. Men's names, generally like Muhammadun, Hamidun, Ammarun. Do you understand? These words, or these names, I should say, are going to get a tanween. Why? Because they're the asma liv-rijal. They're the names for men. Where generally you're going to find, especially at this level of our studies, that what? That the names of women are only going to get one dhamma. This is why you say Aishatu, Fatimatu. Do you understand? You're not going to say Aishatun, Fatimatun, and things along these sorts. So just remember, like we said, this is a really easy principle. Generally, men's names are going to be munawwana, where women's names aren't, meaning that men's names generally are going to get the tanween. And again, it doesn't mean it necessarily has to be the dhamma tanween. It could be a fatha tanween. It could be a kasra tanween. The important thing is that we understand and we remember that what will be given to these words generally, or these names generally, is what? Is the tanween. And when it comes to women's names, then these do not get the tanween. So we'll stick with either just the dhamma, or the fatha, or the kasra, depending on other awamil, or other things that have an effect on the name itself. Tayyib? So just remember, even though this was a short video and I think it was pretty easy, remember that this principle explains to us that generally men's names are munawwana, and women's names are not. Inshallah ta'ala, you found this to be beneficial. If so, like the video, share it with your friends and family, invite others to come and benefit with us, and inshallah ta'ala, we'll see you in the next video. Jazakumullahu khair wa barakallahu feekum. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.